Yo, people, look at this. So right now I'm going back outside. Frozen. See, right up to my car. I just want to show you guys that. Bye. I got stuck in the snow for about an hour. This road is pretty good, but people are just making it worse because there's snow blowing, and they're blowing the snow inside the road, bro. Like they don't even they should like blow the snow on the lawn type shit. Unless you have a 4x4, you're stuck. Press my gas till my till my tank is way below E right now. I'm talking about like dot. Look at that. Look at that. 3 dots. Oh, I'm stuck inside my wheels, bro. Inside my wheels, bro. Inside my wheels, bro. Look at that. Nice. Weird, ugly as shit. Literally. Ugly as shit. What is making all crazy look? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Maybe later on today, I do some like smooth juice for you guys. You know what I mean? Depends on how bad it is. If it's really bad and I'm gonna get stuck, then this storm thing was gonna be so bad though. I mean, I heard them say storm all the time. I was like, ooh. The snowplow just came in and just bam, and just clean everything up. And I'm driving on faith because we got no gas. He's stuck. I had to came on. And I got work tonight. What the yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, make sure you share the video. Just load the comment, full the comment. Bro, look at this, I passed so much clean gas stations like look how it turn out. Look at the car. Inside the wheels. Look at this one. Bro. inside the snow. Look at that. Wayside. But this is what they clean off the streets and they bank off on the thing. So right now, I'm walking back to my car. I'm telling you, it's icy cold. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I was saying, it's freezing cold. I can feel my blood turning to ice right now. If you guys want to come to Canada, summertime is the best time to come to Canada. It's pretty good. Winter time? No. I'm not recommending that. Whoa. I mean, some light snow. Light snow is good. What the fuck is that? Some light snow is good. So yeah, I think that should you guys enough. If anything, probably maybe later on, I get a cameraman. Bro, later on I get a cameraman. We'll go through some more stuff, you know, like do some drifts and stuff. But that's for our next video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to this video. I'm trying to show you guys what we go through on a daily in the winter. And we have to work through this. If you're not rich, you have to work through this. And some people work 2 jobs without a car. That's the crazy part. Cause I was one of them people one time. 2 jobs without a car. 1:30 a.m. waiting for the bus, bro. It's crazy. Why can't you do that to yourself? It's just like stuff. Right now? So I parked my car at the building. Cause I didn't want to park where I was going. There's no sunlight, and it's fucking windy. Man, it's frozen. It's my phone. Bro, so yeah, as I said, I'll see you guys later on. Make sure you guys subscribe to the video. Might seem like a little bit of video, but it's taking me a lot to do. Right now. So, I'm gonna go home. See if I can take a warm shower. I'm gonna take a warm nap. Y'all gotta be safe. Peace. Dip off in the race, you come to the crib and get stopped at the gate.